Okay, next we will see one example from the textbook itself, that is a heading Mental Math and Algebra. Means we can calculate in our mind or we can do as an algebra. So we'll see that problem, that is page number 33, the starting there. There are 100 beads in a box. So there are hundreds beads in a box, some black and some white. So black and white, 10 more black than white. How many black, how many white? So one condition given, means totally beads hundreds are there, and one condition 10 more black than white. So if I show you like this, two vessels here black, here white you have. So we want to find out how many black you have, how many white you have. Totally 100, when you add this 100 you will get. So one condition given that you have to use 10 more black than white. Here what? In this vessel 10 addition. So 10 more than white, 10 more black than white. So that means here 10 beads are more here. So that means we can take anything as x, no? So for example, white we can take it as x. White we don't know, black also don't know, but one condition black will be 10 more than white. So white is taking as x. So what will be your black? It will be x plus 10. So if this is white, x, then black will be x plus 10. 10 is more there, so adding 10 there. So what to do now? You know that when you add this, you are getting 100. Whatever black it is, whatever white is, when you add, you will get 100. So we have to use this one as an equation. So what we can do is total number of beads. We can write total number of beads is equal to, how much is your black? Black is x plus 10. X plus 10 plus white is how much? X. And totally already given how much it is? 100. So this is the way we have to make an equation. Means which is unknown, that you have to take it as algebra or alphabet. Sorry. Now how many x you have? Here alphabet which is same, that you have to add together. 1x plus 1x. How many x? It is 2x. And the remaining, the number, natural number, you have to write plus 10. 1x plus 1x, 2x, 2x plus 10 is equal to 100. So this is the way you have to do it. Now we have to find out the x value. Together I cannot bring all the number, but one by one we have to bring to the other side. Now 2x I am keeping here only. 2x I am keeping here only because it's a multiplication, it will be together. So first time I am removing this 10 to that side, so that equal to 100 is there, no, that I am keeping here. So plus becomes, what happens, it will be minus 10. So 2x is equal to 100 minus 10, how much it is? 90. So you know that x, now you can easy. X I am keeping here, along with x what you have is the multiplication 2, multiplied by 2 it is. So when I told multiplication goes that side, it will divide. So x is equal to this 90 I am keeping here, into becomes division, that 2 I have to write. Now 90 is half, or 90 by 2 is how much? 45. So 45 beads are there. Which beads is this? X, go back and see which is your x. White. White will be, therefore number of white beads is equal to x you have taken, so that only write x is equal to how much you got, that is 45. Therefore again number of black beads. So what is actually black you have taken? X plus 10. So that you have to write x plus 10 is equal to, what is x value got now here? 45 plus 10. How much is that? 55. So this is the answer for this example. Okay, next we'll do one problem, page number 36, the question number 1. So this you have to do as equation, or you have to know to do mind calculation, that is also you can do. Now first question, in a rectangle of perimeter 1 meter, so you can see one rectangle here. So those perimeter is 1 meter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means adding this side, this side, this side, this side. So there are 4 sides. Adding the 4 sides, you are getting the perimeter 1 meter. So that is a perimeter, okay? Not the area, here it is a perimeter. One side is 5 cm longer than the other. One side is 5 cm longer than the other. Means this side is 5 cm longer than the other. So there you can understand, no? So other we can take it as x. So what will be this one? X plus 5. 5 centimeter longer than the other. So you have to decide which will be your x. What are the length of the sides? What are the length of the sides is the question. Breadth and the length you have to find out. So for that, always whenever you finding this type of question, square or rectangle, whatever, the given thing you have to use. First you have to do this one, which is x. The breadth we can take it as x, length will be x plus 5, because condition given 5 is more than the other side. Now one clue given here, that is perimeter is 1 meter, so that we have to use here. How? I'll say, whatever given, if it is area given, area you have to use. If it is perimeter given, perimeter you have to use. So here they told 5 centimeter, no, here they are given 1 meter. So meter and centimeter, we cannot do that. Means any one we have to make it into centimeter, or we have to make it into meter. So if it is 5 centimeter, we will make this into centimeter. What is 1 meter? It is 100 centimeter. So that we can use here. So that both the thing will be centimeter. Now, what is the formula for perimeter? Always, whenever perimeter giving, perimeter formula you have to use. Whenever area giving, area formula you have to use. That is, we have a clue there. Now, perimeter formula. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B is the perimeter. 2 into L plus B is the perimeter. What is the perimeter given here? 100. Now, I am writing 2. Length I can take this one, x plus 5. Length is this one, okay, length is this, breadth is this. So x plus 5, put this plus, and breadth is what? X is equal to 100. Now I am making an equation, no? Here you can make an equation. So before simplifying this into 2 is there, no, that we can bring here. So the remaining thing I am writing, x plus 5 plus x is equal to 100. This into becomes division, so that this will be 50. Hundreds will be 50. So here 1x plus 1x, how much it is? 2x, and this plus 5 you have to write. This is equal to 50. Now I told you we have to find out the x value, so together we cannot bring that side. So this I am keeping here only. 2x is equal to this 50, writing here. So this plus 5 becomes opposite of that, minus 5. So that 2x is equal to 50 minus 5 is 45. Now I want to find out the x value, therefore x is equal to, into 2 becomes division 2, 45 divided by 2, it will be 22.5, 44, so 45 means 22.5 is the answer for x. Now go back and see what is your x actually, it is a breadth, breadth is the x, so therefore breadth is equal to, x is equal to 22.5. and length is equal to x plus 5. So that I have to write 22.5 plus 5, it will be 27.5 centimeter, not in meter, because we have converted into centimeter there. So this is centimeter, here also centimeter. Okay, we'll move on to the next question, page number same, 36, second question. So we'll read that for question first. A class has 4 more girls than boys. Means boys and girls is there. Girls is 4 girls more than boys. 4 girls extra there. On a day when only 8 boys were absent, one day when 8 boys were absent, the number of girls was twice that of the boys. When 8 boys were absent, that time the girls all are present. So that time the number of girls was twice that of the boys after minusing the 8. How many girls and boys are there in the class? Now we'll see what they told. Girls are 4 more than the boys. 4 more means you have to add 4 more, okay? Addition 4 girls are there. That means 4 more than boys. Automatically you should understand that boys you have to take it as x. Boys you have to take it as x. Then if you know this, you can write here. Girls, how much it will be? X plus 4. If boys are 10 means girls will be 10 plus 4. How much? 14. So like that. Boys, if you are taking x, girls will be x plus 4. This is the main thing you should know first. Now we'll move on to the next condition given. When 8 boys were absent, one day 8 boys are absent. So when that time, how many boys are absent? 8 boys. Actually, how many boys are there? X. from the x, one day 8 boys are not coming. So that means x minus 8. When 8 boys were absent, the time x minus 8 boys number, that time girls all are present, okay. So the number of girls how much actually? It is x plus 4. Number of girls actually x plus 4. They all are present, nobody is absent. So that time the number of girls was twice that of boys. Just now how much we got number of boys? X minus 8. So this will be is twice that of boys. This is the way we have to make an equation. I hope you all understood. When 8 boys were absent, actually boys you have x here. When 8 boys are absent means 8 you have to minus it. So x minus 8 you got. That time all girls are present. Girls how many? X plus 4, that we are writing. So these two numbers, the number of girls was twice that of boys. Twice means double, multiplication by 2. Twice that of boys. So boys number you have to double it. This is the way. So you have to simplify this. X plus 4 writing as it is. Now this you have to multiply inside. 2 into x is 2x. Put this minus. 2 into 8 is 16. This is the way you have to do. And now what to do? Now x means alphabet number together, natural number together, we have to do it. Now here what I will do is, here the larger number 2x you have. So keeping 4 here, this x I can bring here. So that 2x, 4 keeping here only, x I am bringing because x larger x here you have. So positive, this is actually positive x. So this becomes minus x and this also to write minus 16. I did not do anything. 2x minus 16 keeping here itself and 4 is keeping here. This x is bringing here. So that 2x, this positive x becomes negative x and this is writing as it is. Now 4 is equal to 2x minus 1x. How much it is? 2x minus 1x will be 1x and remaining 16. Now what I can do is, keeping x here itself, I want to find out x value, no? So along with x what you have, this minus 16 is there, that I am bringing here. So that negative 16 will be positive 16. So that this side x I am writing. Now 4 plus 16 how much? It is 20. 20 is equal to x, or I can rewrite it as x is equal to 20. No problem, x is if it comes that side or this side, you should understand what is the answer. X, go back and see what is your x boys, number of boys. Therefore, number of boys is equal to x is equal to 20. Number of boys x is equal to 20 and number of girls is equal to x plus 4. So this will be 20 plus 4, it is 24. So this is the answer.